effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Philly, northwestern Hyde, northwestern Faulk, and southeastern Potter counties. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Seneca, or 17 miles west of Faulkton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
It's right there.
Size hail. Source.
And right there, too.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Berkmere, Brentwood Colony, and Norvik. For your protection, move to an interior room
Sorry
on the
about
lowest
that.
floor of a building.
Gotta change it.
To report severe weather, contact your
Ooh,
nearest
it's windy
law
out here.
enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Faulk, South Dakota. What?